This video is sponsored by Town of Messina, Lewis County Chamber of Commerce, Brookfield Renewable, and the Ranger School in Wanakena, New York.
Located at the head of the American Narrows shipping channel, Rock Island State Park in Fisher's Landing, New York, has aided shipping traffic for over a century. Purchased by the federal government in 1847, Rock Island was used as a beacon for transport ships traveling the St. Lawrence River, guiding ships through the extremely narrow shipping channel.
The lighthouse where it stands on the edge of the river now was moved there in 1903. They hired a team of masons to build the walkway, and then from the water up to that black ring is stone, brick, and mortar, and then the cast iron lighthouse is moved from the backside of the island to the new perch out on the river. There was a pirate, Bill Johnston, who Alexandria Bay celebrates their annually, Bill Johnston Days. He was an actual person. He was a vigilante dubbed as the Pirate of the Thousand Islands. He was indeed one of the keepers here. The tower is approximately 40 feet from the walkway to the platform. There's 3 landings, roughly 15 stairs to each landing. There's a spiral staircase. Now the upper half of the very top of the lighthouse, there's a small ladder that has about 8 steps on it to take you up into the very top. There's a light still in the tower. It works very much like a street light at home. It comes on at dark and goes off during the day. And it's more of a reference, this is where you are point. It's not bright enough to be a navigational aid.
The original lighthouse was built where the current keeper's quarters reside and was moved to its current location in 1903. The lighthouse was decommissioned in 1955. New York State took ownership of the island in 1977 and began a restoration project in recent years to make the site open to public touring.
Lighthouse is visitable. We're open to the public. We are open from Memorial Day till mid-September. And when you come visit the lighthouse, you can actually go into the keeper's house and see where the people had lived when they lived here. You can see that the island is not really sizable to where they would be confined, if you will, to their living area. And you can actually go into the top of the lighthouse and see what it was like to be in the top of the lighthouse. I like lighthouses. I like the seclusion, the isolation, if you will. And I really like I more like the history of what it stands for, the history and the development of our country. I hope to see people visiting my Rock Island. We enjoy it out here and we'd love to have you.